The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban Mission was a scheme launched on 25th of June 2015 to provide the housing needs of the urban poor. Now in 2024, the PMAY 2.0 scheme has been launched to provide the housing needs of 1 crore urban poor and middle class families in the next 5 years. Under the revised scheme, across 4 verticals, the needs will be provided: the beneficiary-led construction, affordable housing in partnership, affordable rental housing, and interest subsidy scheme. The definition of an affordable house under the PMAY: a house having a carpet area of 60 square meter in metros and 90 square meter in the non-metro, with the house value of rupees 45 lakh will be considered. For more such important topics for your JAIIB preparation, keep watching Olive Board.